Hello students, in this video we will discuss differentiation lecture 3. Here some important results. First result is differentiation of log e base x. What is log? Log is a concept. We will discuss about log in upcoming lectures. Okay, differentiation of log x, just you need to remember. Okay, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Differentiation of log ax 1 upon x log ea. Okay, when you learn about log, you can easily understand the differentiation of log. Okay, basically these results you will discuss in class 12th mathematics, but bio students will learn it as it is. Okay, because many times the result will be used as it is, okay, without any explanation why log ex, differentiation of log ex come 1 by x, okay, without any argument. Now differentiation of log ax 1 upon x log ea, differentiation of e to the power x. E is a number, that is approximately equals to 2.7. remember it, okay. E is a number that is approximately equals to 2.7. 2.7 to the power x means something to the power x, that is equals to ex. Differentiation of e to the power x, that is ex. Differentiation of e to the power 5x, if it is 5x it will become 5 e to the power 5x, 5 e to the power 5x. okay. Now a to the power x, that differentiation of a to the power x will become a to the power x log ea. Okay, now differentiation of sin x is cos x, important. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, important. Differentiation of tan x is equals to sec square x, important. These three results and this result is very important. Others are also important, but these results are most important. It is usually used in the derivations. Okay, now you need to remember these results. Now next, some examples are given. Like first example is y is equals to 3x to the power 4 plus 2 sine x. 3x to the power 4 plus 2 sine x. Okay, differentiation of dy upon dx will be equals to 3 as it is. Okay, differentiation of x to the power 4, 4x to the power 4 minus 1, that is 3, plus 2 times differentiation of sin x. We have seen sin x is cos x simply. Okay, 12x to the power 3 plus 2 cos x is the result. Okay, hope you are understanding. Next, second example, that is y is equals to sin x upon cos x. In first lecture of differentiation, we have seen differentiation of two functions. The functions are in division. Okay, then differentiation of y will be is equals to denominator as it is, differentiation of numerator minus numerator as it is, differentiation of denominator, that is cos x upon denominator whole square. Hope you are understanding. Okay, now this is cos x and differentiation of sin x is also cos x minus sin x as it is Okay, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, this minus will become plus. Okay, so this is plus, and upon cos x whole square. Cos x whole square can also be written as cos square x. This is cos x cos square x, sin sin square x, that is cos square x plus sin square x, or sin square x plus cos square, that is identity, that is equals to 1. Okay, 1 upon cos square x. So you know that 1 upon cos is sec, that means sec square x. That is the result. Hope you are understanding. On also in the results that are written here, this is equals to sin x upon cos x, that is tan x, and differentiation of tan x is what? Differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and the result is also sec square x. Okay, now third example is what? Third example is y is equals to x to the power 5 plus 3e to the power 2x. Okay, differentiation of y with respect to x will be 5x to the power 4 plus 3 as it is, x to the power 2x, 2 into e to the power 2x. Okay, that is 5x to the power 4 plus 6e to the power 2x. This is the result. Hope you are understanding, and thanks for watching this video.